In February 2023, Cyclone Gabrielle caused one of Hawke's Bay's most significant infrastructure failures. When the Puketapu Bridge collapsed into the Tutaikuri River, a key connection was lost, dividing a rural community. The Moteo-Puketapu Bridge Replacement Project, involving WSP, Hastings District Council, Moteo Marae, Wharerangi Marae, Timikara Marae and Mana Ahuriri Trust, brought people together around a shared purpose and worked in partnership to restore a vital lifeline and reconnected the community. Planners played a central role, guiding technical, ecological and cultural value input and integration, as well as values-led engagement with mana whenua. Because of this integration, cultural priorities were embedded into the project from early investigations all the way through. Design, consenting and cultural monitoring, environmental outcomes strengthened and community needs remained at the forefront of project decision making. In support of a resilient and timely outcome, a flexible consenting approach was adopted and achieved because of the effective community engagement and a well-established working partnership with council planners. The Moteo-Puketapu Bridge now stands as a symbol of partnership, resilience and thoughtful integrated planning, setting a benchmark for culturally grounded and environmentally responsible practice across Aotearoa.